My personal top 10 things to remember about evaluation report based on all 3 reading materials and some additional readings. The first 3 points I would like to remember is have an executive summary, an introduction, and defining values. Under each these items, I will check for sub-elements that needed to be considered. For example, in executive summary, an introduction about evaluation, considering the program context and the big picture is important, and also what is the quality value of the evaluation. In the introduction, we basically identify rationale for program and the context, and also we have to identify clients, program, goals, evaluation objectives, and resources. Defining value is the most important thing under the third step. We answer the questions such as how good is good and what are the most important elements and why. As the fourth point, I identify method. In here, I combine evaluation process details and approaches and model. The fifth point is outcome evaluation. Most important thing need to identify in this step is what's happened to the consumers and value related information. Also, we have to include information about intended and unintended outcomes as well as short-term and long-term effects. The sixth point is cost effectiveness, and here we basically discuss resources that use by the evaluation to achieve its maximum value and also can provide a relative cost information. The seventh point is providing an overall conclusion considering the performance of evaluant. The value judgment is important in here. The eighth point is recommendation and explanation. We have to provide a balanced information with positive factors and negative factors and also some potential solution. But here we have to remember we are not advocating the client but providing suggestions with detailed explanation. The ninth point is meta-evaluation, and it's provide information about how good our evaluation finding and process. In here, we have to describe our biases and also finding should be achieve its credibility. The final point, the 10th, is utilization of evaluation results. In here, there have 3 dimensions in utilization: direct utilization, conceptual utilization, and persuasive utilization. In direct utilization, we discussed how specific uses of the findings to decision makers and stakeholders. And under the persuasive utilization, we support or refute the potential decision. Under the conceptual utilization, we influence the thinking about issues related to the evaluant.